Hello friends, in this video I shall be taking up some problems of the important concept of statistics, that is averages. We all know how important this topic is because in competitive exams, you just can't avoid these problems of averages, and these kind of problems are based on short tricks. Most of you who are you know aware of those short tricks, they will solve those problems in very less time. But due to the you can say lack of knowledge of these short tricks, students tend to consume a lot of time in the exams competitions, and that's why this topic becomes a little bit difficult. So I'm going to tell you today two different short tricks through which you will be able to solve some problems of averages very easily. So you can see two problems written here, and why I am taking the topic of averages today in this video, that is because I have brought up the 15th PDF, 15th PDF on the channel, and this particular PDF concerns all the short tricks of averages. Most of the common problems which are asked in competitions, they are all solved through short tricks. So everybody who is really interested in that particular PDF, they need to send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963 is my number, and if you don't use WhatsApp, then email drsureshagarwal73@gmail.com. So that is two ways of getting to those PDFs. Coming to the topic back again, see this problem here. The mean of 18 values is 42.5. That of 27 values is 41, and that of 35 values is 43. So we have been given three different means in this case. This is 18 values 42.5, 27 values 41, and 35 values 43. So different number of values and different means. You need to find the mean of all 80 quantities. So the paper setter has already told you that there are 80 quantities. That means 18 plus 27, which is okay, 18 plus 27. Okay, this is not coming out to be, I think this is 40 quantities, maybe 35. Okay, this is little bit of confusion there. I'll just correct it. 18 quantities, then we have 27 and 35. Okay, this is 35 here. So let's have the weighted mean, that is the mean of all quantities, mean of 80 quantities. You can find that out directly. Just you have to be aware of the weighted mean concept. See, there are 18 values. This is what I got confused in, because here we have the mean 41. So 27 values and 35 values. So 18 plus 27 is 45, and plus 35 is 80 values, and that's the mean you want to find out. So how do we find that out? See, 18 values, the mean is 42.5. You need to multiply those. Then 27 values, the mean is 41. Again, you need to multiply those. And then finally 35 values, the mean is 43. You need to multiply those two. And then just divide by the total number of quantities, that is 80. Now there are three different calculations which you have to actually find out. This is 18 into 42.5, which is, okay, I'll just do it. 18 5 is 70. 90. So 0 means there will not be any decimal here. This is 36, and then okay, 5. Then we have 76. So 765 plus the second one 27. Okay, so this is 7 into 1 7. Then we have to cross multiply, means 30 0 3 and 8 11. So 1107. See, I'm doing everything orally. Again, this is the calculation you need to do. So 15 5. Then we have 0 and 12 3 15. So 1505 upon 80. So your answer for the question will be 33. Okay, this is 3377 divided by 80, and now division by 8 is just a formality, right? So 4 2, then we have a 0 means decimal, 2, and then 8 means 1 2 Okay, so 42.2125 will be the answer for the particular question. Likewise, you can see here another question. Now this question is very important because this can be solved through 3 or 4 different methods, and the easiest possible method is the alligation method there. So just make use of the alligation method, and I'm sure you are going to get to the correct answer very easily. So let's see the question. The mean marks of 80 students is 58. So the 58 students, the mean marks is given here as 58. Okay, and then there are pass students and there are fail students. So for the pass students, the mean is 68, and for the fail students, the mean is 28. So you need to find the number of passed and the failed students. Again, a question which assumes a greater importance. When you actually solve it in the exam, you should be very quick in solving this one. What do we do in such cases? Average of the passed candidates and average of the failed candidates. So these are the two things. And what are the averages which are given here? Let's use the alligation method. So the passed average is 68. So let's write 68 here. And the failed average is 28. And the mean, that is the overall average, is 58. So how do you do the alligation method? So you have to write like this. So 68 minus 58 is 10. And 58 minus 28 is 30. So you can see passed 30, failed 10. That means the ratio is 30:10. That is 3:1. Now, once you are aware of the ratio, then finding the number of passed candidates and the failed candidates is just a formality. So passed equal to, how much is the total number of candidates? It's 80 multiplied by passed. Here was 3. So 3/4. So that will be 20 into 3, 60 candidates passed. So failed will be automatically 80 minus 60, which is 20 candidates. Now this is the easiest possible method of solving this particular type of question of averages. Now you can imagine, friends, the method which I have used here is the alligation method. And the alligation method, obviously, it's one of the very important methods because it comes in ratio proportion problems also, then percentages problems also, and then now in averages problem also you can find the same alligation method. When we attempt the competitions, we make one error. We think that the alligation questions are basically the questions of mixtures, in which we have two components mixed in a different ratio, and then we add one thing to convert that ratio into a different one. It's not like that. Alligation is actually a method which can be used to solve a variety of different problems, and those are the problems of averages which I have solved just now on the board for you. So in the live stream only I have solved it today because it's been a terrible time in India dealing with those coronavirus cases, and I prefer to take live streams of 9th and 10th class students who require them actually, and so I'll just appeal to you, everybody who is appearing in board exams in the upcoming session. Just tell them about the channel. I've been conducting mathematics live streams and science also, and now live streams are going on in the morning. So you need to tell people about the channel and let them be benefited by the free live streams, amazing live streams for all those things. So these are the things we need to focus on. And you can see in the first question what concept I have used here. This is the concept of weighted average or weighted mean. So if you want to search all these questions of weighted mean, just write on Google weighted mean, you will find the concept. But for your simplicity, I have mentioned everything in a single PDF. All types of problems of averages mentioned in PDF number 15. So all the short tricks. So these kind of PDFs, especially beneficial for SSC, CGL exam, then CHSL, then RRB, NTPC. These are the exams which often ask these kind of questions, and these exams will become very easy if you acquire these short trick PDFs. So already 14 different PDFs were bought out earlier, and this is the 15th one on the channel now. So this weighted mean concept and the concept of how to find the passed and the failed students if their averages are given separately are all mentioned in this particular short trick PDF. So friends, this video was just to make you aware about the live streams which I've been conducting for class 10 students, so that all those who are in your touch, they come to know about the channel and the free tutorials going on, exactly the word which I wanted to use, free tutorials, right? So just publicize those things among your contacts, and get hold of these PDFs if you are appearing for any of the competitions like SSC, CGL, RRB, and TPC. So friends, that's it from me today on this particular video, and I hope you all stay safe under this deadly environment which has been created due to this coronavirus scare, and the world is suffering. So a little bit of uh, common sense from all of us as educationists and as good students is required to overcome this difficulty. Stay indoors, don't move out, and I hope everybody stays safe. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for this particular video. I hope uh, you get benefited by these live streams and these videos a great deal. And if you do, subscribe the channel and like the videos, and do not forget to click the bell icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads and the live streams. Thanks for watching this, friends.